Sorting data. Every day, you deal with a lot of data. It is easier to work with sorted data. Sorting of data means to organize the data in ascending or descending order. Excel allows you to sort both numeric and textual data. You can sort the data according to a particular column as well as a range of data. To sort data, follow these types. Step 1. Select a column or range of data to be sorted. In this case, we have selected the range A3 to D8. Step 2. Click on the Sort and Filter command from Editing Group under the Home tab. A drop-down list appears. Step 3. Click on the Sort A to Z for text and Sort smallest to largest for numbers to sort the data in ascending order. The selected data will be sorted according to the names in ascending order. Custom sorting. In case more than one columns are to be sorted in such a way that the first column is in ascending order, and if some data is same for more than one rows, then the second column of such rows gets sorted in descending order. You can do this in Excel using custom sort. To use custom sorting, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the range of columns to be sorted. Step 2. Click on the Sort and Filter command from the Editing Group under Home tab. A drop-down list appears. Step 3. Click on the Custom Sort option from the drop-down list. Step 4. Check My Data has Headers checkbox if the selected columns have a heading at the top. Step 5. Click on the Sort By box and select the column header according to which you want to sort the data. In this case, we have selected Client Name Header. Step 6. Click on the Sort On box and select Cell Values option. Step 7. Click on the Order box and select the A to Z or Z to A option. In this case, we have selected A to Z option. Step 8. Click on the Add Level button at the top of the Sort dialog box to add another column to sort. In this case, we have added Amount Billed column. Step 9. Click on the OK button. The data will be sorted according to the criteria defined.